Checky, check, mic check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel, Mark. That's me, my words, where we cover trading, traveling, and training. Before I do get into today's summary video, please do continue to hit that subscribe button down there and show your support for what I'm trying to do here. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. So quickly onto today's summary then for the meme stocks, AMC and GME, and all in all a pretty quiet day. We'll start with AMC. It did open slightly down and have this downward trajectory for the first half of the day. But what we did, we put the trend lines on from the bottom of the previous day, which we did started yesterday. And as you can see, we did kind of respect that ascending level of support, pray for one, I'll call that a false break there. And then we have the descending level of resistance from yesterday's high all the way down there. You can see again a false break there, but we have come down into the point. We're squeezing down into there, so maybe early tomorrow morning could be an interesting time to see whether that we fall back down towards that $10 area of support, or we start pushing up towards the 1040, 1043 area for the next level of resistance. Don't know what this was, this little pump here, but it was very welcome. So, I mean, even if we'd have followed the same kind of trajectory, we still probably would have come down into this little point here. But yeah, all in all, finished down 3.86%. But again, when you put that into context with, let me put the 5-minute chart on, and put the 3-minute on. If you put that into context of yesterday's gain, you can see that, you know, it's nothing. It's normal. It's a healthy pullback, and it still keeps us in that channel that we're looking at there. So all in all, a slow day for AMC, but again, you know, a positive one. Good things are coming, I believe. Starting to see, you know, some chatter around that these rules that DTCC are going to start introducing are not a million miles away. So I'm really interested to see if that has the effect that all of us are hoping for it to have. So there you go for AMC for today. Again, a steady day, but steady days are good days. We're not losing too much, really. Over to GameStop quickly. Again, a nice recovery after yesterday's little bit of a, you know, drop and then a peak. Again, a steady day, as you can see, consolidation there. Not really too much to say on the chart wise, really. We did get that little pump, drop off and pump back up, which is, you know, it's a bit of a theme. And if you are looking to day trade this, then that for me is an area that you should be looking at, getting in early, and you know, riding it up for the first few minutes and then getting out quickly. We've closed at 184.40, I believe, that kind of area. So, you know, again, we finished down 1.3%, but when you put it into the bigger picture, you know, again, nice consolidation. It puts us back kind of into that channel where we are. Where we've been for, you know, the last few days. Let me put this on the 5-minute chart and you can see. So yeah, we you know, look, when you're looking back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, it's consolidation. It's nice and steady consolidation. This area, we discount this for the FUD that was put out, and you know, again, not an exciting day, but not a disastrous day neither. Looking strong for GME. What's happening with the YouTube challenge? So we've got 2 positions open, AMC and Clovis Oncology. Clovis Oncology had a bit of a sell-off today. It was quite disappointing. The day started really well, and then it was just, you know, a sell-off. Obviously some manipulation here, potentially here as well. I know this stock really well. I've been following this stock for 2 years, so it is heavily shorted, and it does have these, you know, this volatile movement. closed at 690. Really disappointing. You know, high of the day of 735. So, you know, you just wish it would hold sometimes. But that's the reality, and that's what I'm trying to do here, is to show you the reality of trading. So there's that one, and then obviously the other holding is AMC. Current loss £137, which is around, gosh, I don't know, $200, give or take. So, you know, we're not doing, we've still got money in the bank, which is a bit of a blessing. So we'll see how it goes. You know, it's early days, and hopefully once AMC takes off, we can you know, take some out of there and start looking at other places to get into. One which came onto the radar today was Eyes. It started having a run up a couple of hours after market open. News of 2 new directors being appointed. Saw it go up to 1067 there. I put the fibs on. I did put a little message in the Discord. So if you're not part of the Discord, then, you know, check the description down below and join the Discord. I gave a notification around here somewhere, and then I said, look, wait for it to pull back to around the 950 area, which it did, and then it had another little run up, and then a kind of little bit of a sell off into the close, but still sitting pretty in that healthy pullback area of 50%, you know, on the fibs. So all in all, a quiet day on the market. It's been pretty uneventful, but solid. I call it uneventful but solid. I've not lost a lot. So, well, with GME, I've not lost anything because my average is below market price. So happy days. Yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow gives us something a little bit more, but we'll see. You know, we shall see. It is what it is. Don't get discouraged by these quiet days. It's all part of the game, and it's all part of the system. So that's it. That's all I've got for you today. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Please check out the other videos. Like I said, if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you've got a moment. It really helps drive the channel. And thanks for your support. Have a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, troops, wherever you are in the world, and stay safe. Cheers.